Don't buy the instant pancakes mixture in outside. Let's make it in home like this. I added the chocolate into this. You can add strawberry, pineapple, whatever your flavor you want. You can add vanilla essence also. Chocolate eggless pancake. Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullo's in the kitchen. Today now I am making one of the best breakfast recipe, chocolate pancakes without any eggs. Let's check the recipe, eggless chocolate pancake recipe. How I am making: all-purpose flour 1 cup, milk 1/2 cup, baking soda pinch, baking powder pinch, sugar 2 tablespoons, salt as required, chocolate for garnish, and inside the pancake also ghee or butter or anything oil. This is the recipe for chocolate pancakes without egg. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. First take the bowl and whisk. Add the one item, all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt pinch as required, and sugar. Next add the ghee or butter, add milk, at last add the chocolate. If it's there, it's an optional method. You can buy the 5-star dairy milk also if you want chocolate pancakes. Mix nicely with the whisk. Take it to the batter consistency like a dosa batter. Batter is little bit tight. Add 2 drops of water. Whisk it nicely. The batter is ready, you can see, and rest it for 10 to 15 minutes minimum to get a nice pancakes recipe. Follow the tip. Switch on the flame. Let's heat it. The pan is heated. Let's pour the oil or butter. I am adding the oil. Keep on the low flame now. Next add the little bit small pancakes. This much size is enough. It will spread. Then make into the reverse now. Now I am showing one more. Last pancake. Then reverse the pancake in another side and cook it for 2 minutes, both sides. Then take it to the serving plate. chocolate eggless pancake is ready. Now I am tasting. It's same like a spongy texture, and I'm getting a cake flavor. I will show. How it is cooked. It's same like a spongy cake. Every morning make the pancakes like this, eggless, and nice recipe. Follow this. Thanks for watching.